guys, Miss Karina here. I'm here with Toro, my 6-month-old Doberman. And basically what we're going to be doing is a little arts and crafts with Toro. What we're going to be doing are kind of like little memory tiles. So let's get right to it. What I'm going to do first is get your paint, pour it out into a plastic plate, or what is this, a foam plate. Kind of spread it out with the paintbrush. You want to make the little circle the size of his paw print. Okay, so just kind of spread it out. Once you do that, you're gonna grab your tile. So basically this is just some leftover tile that they used when they were remodeling the kitchen, but this is what we're gonna use to create our little memory thing. Okay, so next thing we're gonna want to do is put his paw in the paint. Just make sure they don't eat it, okay? Don't eat it! Just kind of make sure the paw is nice and coated. Dodo was kind enough to lay down for us. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, whoops. So it might get a little messy, so I covered his paw with paint, and then we're just gonna put the tile.
What are you guys doing?
Hold it for a bit. Perfect. So then we have our little paw print. I want to clean his paw because then they're gonna be running around with paint everywhere. Oh, just clean it all up. Good boy, Toro. And then where's the napkin? Pass me the napkin. Good boy. And then just kind of clean it. There you go. Got a little paint on his coat. A little bit right there. Good boy. Go ahead and customize it. Add your pet's name. I put the date on there too. So as you can see, it says Toro. Super cute. And then you can just kind of put this like on your vanity, on your desk. Lean it against something, and it just makes a cute little decoration and memory. So I'll catch you guys next Thursday for another fun DIY. Bye!